Domahi festival celebration begins in the Khimbamrong, Titelia and adjacent areas of Sonapur. Good morning and warm welcome to Karbi Anglong Live Morning News. I am Jirbon Kilingpi, bringing you the latest news for today. And now the news in detail. With the onset of the spring season, the people all over India are welcoming the traditional New Year with festivities, giving the festival different names but with just one aim of welcoming the New Year. Like Bihu, Baisakhi and others, the Domahi festival of the Dumra Karbis is celebrated to welcome the New Year. Here is a report on how the people are busy these days. With the arrival of Domahi, which starts on 14 April, the Karbis living in Dimoria or Kamrup region celebrates their festive season joyfully and with great enthusiasm. This is the time when village folks gather together and visit every Karbi village, dancing and singing along the way and enjoy the feast together. It is also time to offer prayers to the traditional deities and seek blessings for the well-being of the people. In turn, village headmen or elderly men of the village give their blessings to the head of the house for the well-being, good fortune and for good health. The village folk pay a visit to each and every house of Karbi community in this Domahi. They could be seen dancing Domahi Tikan, the dance symbolic of the festival.
Kaldom Rongumar Bange Hoyam Dumura Akar Bihel Domahika Sorhek Aseu Bangboke Hadirul ayo kanjung sidoye labang bo monon dandur ki kan asal paklangdo deiswa fel songno aru humidhan ki en paklange laba ningkan bo sok sang aleng sorong kiso kila lamel kikol ayo arnam sildoman sarlar sidungman sarlar ka sidung apel mononge otero mualogot kasuli dunalogot khiti bitia logot bang bomar monoge botor ningkan botori sarpia diwang lengo monoge khiti biti adina yo ar nam sirdom do dumurakar bihel la lasi adon ten singpen muripen dumurakar bihel domahi sorhingi.
Keeping in view the tradition and customs of the Karbis, the young Karbi themselves go to the forest in search of variety of local green leafy vegetables and distributes to all on their return to the village to let everyone enjoy the vegetable along with other delicious dishes. Undoubtedly, Domahi is the most colorful festival of the people here, where the whole community enjoys to their heart's content. Niturat Ronghang's report from Sonapur for Karbi Anglong Live. With a theme showing the seeds of literature among the youths, a one-day Karbi Poets Meet Dongkamukam Hirbangamay was held at Dongkamukam, West Karbi Anglong on Wednesday. Here is a report. The program, which held at Dongkamukam Cane and Bamboo Training Center, began at around 9 a.m. in the morning, was inaugurated by local cultural and social activist Dhaniram Ronghang. It was followed by poem recitation competition for the children in which many local students participated. Faces of parents and the guardians lit up seeing their children reciting Karbi poems, and first time for several of the students. Among the invited poets who recited their poems in the program were Boleswar Hansi from Hanlukrok, Samson Ingti and Rupsing Ingti from Pelangpi, Aikon Timungpi, Jitu Terang, Ra Ingti and Mansing Teron from the areas adjacent to Dongkamukam, Ramen Ingti and Welsing Hanse from Diphu, On Teron from Denarong. Eminent Nepali poet Bisnu Nirola also recited his composition. After the conclusion of the poetry recitation and writing events, an open meeting was also held, which was chaired by the organizing body president Diganta Rongpi. Chief guest of the event was eminent researcher and folklorist Sikari Tiso. The chief guest shared several valuable words relating to literature and culture with the people present in the meeting.
Bong mir terang pi, nampi ni ko pi hirjur sedaka cepati dun lo. Cing thur jali na hirje, angke nang ke haidun panang deng lo. First ke cing siang deng se haidu. Nang rong na lo. Kam nang non pergi bong pana kelas ang deng long lo. Class 3 ko na school lo.
The winners in the competitions during the day were given prizes at the end of the meeting. In the poetry recitation competition for children's section, Bongmir Terangpi won the first prize, while in the adult section, Atur Bey of Denarong won the first prize. In the on-spot poem writing competition, Dhaniram Teron of Longnit won the first prize.
Dak dongkam hirbang amai kipi pona lambang ke lapang dong. Ningkan suri hini rakre sirkia paningkan engdeng isi dongkam hirbang amai di pono. Hala so ahut nitum teklong mo lim somara tum tame aket hia tum tame hirjir ki hir. Yang cepati dun tum topik. Laso ajoine komani tum bangke non api teklong ningkan isi yang bong si tame mani bangke ame thang hirjir jeponda teklo ame thang tum mungsu titok teklo. Laso ke mang pen sini lutum ini ngarong piglo hala so ang tek long pen la son thak si non engdeng hini dongkam hirbang amai pilo blote an so se klim somara tum tame aket thia tum tame na chitol gun pen khot an so se bidi sore thekter tum long pen long dun pu la pen an so se ame thang tame la met nam chong khai aphan kaching hon thek di aphan aja kong che long dun pu ke mang pen si engdeng hini dongkam hirbang amai bangke ni lutum dipon.
Wiki-based report from Dongkamukam for Karbi Anglong Live. The All-Party Hills Leaders Conference on Thursday held poll assessment meeting in Sanglangkehat village under the Nilip MAC constituency. The post-poll assessment meeting in Sanglangkehat village was chaired by APHLC Vice President Rajesh Tisu and was graced by its party president and Dipu LAC candidate Jai Kathar, Bokajan LA candidate Samson Teron, Central Committee IT Cell Dipen Rongpi, Bokajan LA Vice President Robinson Singar, Central Committee Dipu AJS Rajan Timu, SGB Laurent Teron and several leaders of the area and supporters. During the meeting, the APHLC leaders expressed their confidence over the election result, stating that it would emerge victorious in all of the 4 seats. Party President Jai Kathar also shared words of encouragement to its party supporters and members and said that even BJP and Congress supporters would also join them in great numbers in the near future.
Election ahut moisa we pinsita lili tumalong thanga we pinsita ke claim la pen kedam ni tum jasemet chipiduk lo la pen arong tin la pen asidina puling long setambi nilitung meeting pendang lok lakat to gawe nitung claim cipiduk long lo lasi tini nitung kedam tang MP election ahut ko anma hut kelongji dak nilipen non la bangso MLA election ahut nilitung ABCC longji la hello lasi non kilang jilang MPC election ahut sida nilitung dak nilipen jasemet kecipahai derji phan nilitung boli polong nilitung long dan su sesi rada tumda wang bom lo kidam tang MLA election ahut bangke jasemet kesi itu Dr. Numol Mumila Pham Parem Nangji Lasi Kongres Bangsi Pahai Nangji Upenapot Kyong Dung Arada Tung Adak Kamang Hudulo Sitame Nona Phi Election of Woodjok Dera Phi Bangke Kesi Atung Lapen Kapre Atung Lahai Lamang Thana Bangke Nitumana Kapamang Hudjot
La constituency LA constituency Plita APHLC Hai Lapji Athema non ke munit tum chini lo det se ke cherai ba prang ni det la pen long li e hawar long li avete det ta do tek munit avete det ta do tek anga non ke ituma munit k ke ha 1951 ahut ke 88% non ke 44% la ke BJP Congress atum si ke claim ke chok che posi la puson itum pan na pivira na tu pon ang pon rong bang a khay pan pe wang wa det lo hala tum pan pe wang long nang ne pu lo hala tum pan long le da pinang ne pu sa ko ri ta pinang ne pu si si dur long ke tok se ta lang li tum ke ra si dur lam ta kroi che det lo an ke ili tum karbi la pe ing long ara tum pan ka pivira kam si alang li tum klem bom lo la so lam ke ili tum rat atum non ke chini lo rong pe theta la si vir we det nang ye pot si non ke thur pak lo.
Sonjit Crow's report from Chokkehola for Karbi Anglong Live. With the aim to train the young generation on various Karbi traditional customs related with marriage system, the Karbi Cultural Society Tekelangjun Zonal Committee had conducted a training cum competition event at Rasinja Aklam in Dongmukak. The two-day event was held on 13 and 14 of April. It was conducted under the initiative of KCS Tekelangjung Zonal Committee President Biren Singh Teron and Secretary Thon Rongpi. The youths of the region were trained on customs including Kachihudi, Nengpi Neng Sokachinki and Mosaraki here, the three stages which are related with the Karbi traditional marriage system.
Hawa ramai, mana lah Tekelangjung hawa ramai kan cinu ya lo, gue kimi ya tu mabhan, ni tu Tekelangjung Zonal Committee Secretary President dan Jenglok, cun bang tu men Jenglok member semua dan langsung ke Waipon cepat dua bang ke lah lo, gue kimi teman kangkur ponji, langsung kangkur ponji si kecil lo, langsung kecil lo pen, koan mana itu kemang, koan mana kewangi alang tu bangun itu lo, silang tu bang antap alang itu hek lo, cari lo.
Out of 22, 12 units under the zonal committee had sent their members to the training, which the leaders said was much lower than they had expected. The KCS had urged more youths to join in such programs in the future so that the traditional culture could survive. Samsing Ingtis report from Dongkamukam for Karbi Anglong Live. Now those were the top stories for this morning. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live and stay safe.